Oh, hi, Harma. I'm so glad you're back.
Sorry, it seems like we lost the connection for a second.
Yes, you were just about to tell us what the new big event will be about?
That's right. I think that now is a good time to tell our users that the new big event is all going to be about mini museums. We challenge all My Schools Network users to create their own mini museum. Isn't that nice?
Well, it sounds fantastic, and I'll start thinking about creating my own mini museum and which things I can put in it right away.
And that's it for now. We will tell our users more about this event in another video.
Okay, well, thank you, Harma. See you next time.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.